Hi.
What time is it?
5:30.
Where are we going?
LAX.
LAX to DC to
New
New
York.
York to back
Canada.
home.
Where's Max?
In the back.
Another day goes by with you on the other side. Another day goes by without you. Oh, I said it once, I'll say it twice. Every day it just don't feel too.
Do you see it?
It's the capital.
Here we are. Finally made it. 2-hour layover. It's 11:30 at night. Yeah, what do you guys think?
Very nice.
Day 1 of Washington, D.C. It's already over 90 degrees. It's like one of their hottest days of the year. Extreme heat warnings, 90% humidity. And we're gonna go rent bikes and ride around the National Mall.
Long time ago, I can still remember how that music used to make me smile. And I knew if I had my chance that I could make those people dance, and maybe they...
How's the bike ride so far?
It's pretty hot, but it feels good. It feels better than walking because you have the wind rushing in your face. Ella already fell 2 times.
I can't remember if I cried when I read about his widowed bride, but something touched me deep inside the day the music died. So bye-bye, Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. And them good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing, this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I...
What do you guys think? Does it look like it looks in the movies?
It's a lot bigger than I've seen in pictures.
How'd it go? You get your shot?
Yeah.
Ella, let me see your face. Oh my gosh, you're so red.
Did you write the book of love, and do you have faith in God above? If the Bible tells you so. Now, do you believe in rock and roll? Can music save your mortal soul? And can you teach me how to dance real slow? Well, I know that you're in love with him, 'cause I saw you dancing in the gym. You both kicked off your shoes. Man, I dig those rhythm and blues. I was a lonely teenage bronc and buck with a pink carnation and a pickup truck, but I knew I was out of luck the day the music died. I started singing bye-bye, Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee, but the levee was dry. Them good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, and singing, this'll be the day that I die. This'll be the day that I die.
Can you please go home and take a shower?
Okay, done with the bike ride. Ella almost died. No less than 10 times. That was way too hot, way too much. We're gonna go to Air and Space next. How was the bike ride, guys?
I'm tired.
The scenery was nice.
Way too hot. How was it, Carrie?
It's hot.
Yeah. Just finished food at the Mars Cafe. You guys full? You re-energized and ready to go?
There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a Some man waiting in the sky. He told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it, let the children use it. Let all
I was wrong on the fabric. It's muslin, unsealed muslin. And
Muslin?
the reason why it's unsealed is to save weight.
Is that the original muslin right there?
Yeah.
That's amazing. This thing is 125 years old, first plane. When I was a kid, I'd go to my grandparents in Santaquin and he would fly that out of his backyard. He kept it in the shed, so every time I'd go in his shed, I would see that. It's basically called an ultralight. You get it up in the sky, and then it glides using the air currents, and you could turn the motor off.
One of those speedboats on the
He would take it off right from his backyard. This bike went 136 miles an hour. Dude, that's faster than we go on our electrics, that's for sure.
Yeah, Mom, imagine we went that fast on our electric bikes.
It's a motorcycle.
I found Wally.
What?
I found the real Wally. Follow me.
Where?
Is it that thing?
Yeah, that's the real Wally. Those boots are the last human object to touch the moon in 1972.
Wait, are those the real ones?
Yep, those are lunar moon boots.
The last human objects to touch the surface.
These are the real ones?
Yeah.
Did you hear what Ella just said? I was like, it's a Disney ride because they put the bags under their feet.
This is the first spacesuit worn by Neil Armstrong when he went to the moon. Very first one. The original one here.
First spacesuit. This is his spacesuit.
It's like that one Star Wars ride.
Yeah, Millennium Falcon. Dude, we sped run this museum.
Finish this so fast.
We
Oh, you
finished
can
it
see
super
what,
fast.
you can see what they're building.
How's the ice cream? Exactly what we needed to cool down.
We're walking to the Holocaust Museum right now.
That's original door to a synagogue that they defaced on the night of broken glass.
So this is from like 90 years ago?
That flag flew over Hitler's mansion. That's a site of a massive grave marker where 1,700 people were killed. They could put up to 100 people on one train car. This workbench hid a hiding place for some of the Polish Jews. And then over here is an original sewer cover that they would use to escape the ghettos. What happened to you, Carson?
I died.
How?
So basically, the Germans came to where I was, and basically I owned a library with a bunch of banned books, and then they captured me and gassed me. I survived because my person in high school, they learned German, so they were able to disguise themselves with false papers, and with the fact that they knew how to speak German, and they were able to survive.
I survived.
You did?
Yep.
So
They went to the
basically,
United
all the
States.
girls survived and the boys didn't.
You died too.
Yeah, me, Carson, and Max all died, and you guys all three stayed alive.
Oh.
Done with the Holocaust Museum. What did you guys think?
It was cool, but kind of sad to look at all the stuff.
Yeah, it was really sad.
Very sad.
Anyways, we're gonna go walk over to the wharf to get dinner now. Carrie and I on an evening ride to get some groceries. Got free bikes from the hotel.